Hello, welcome to your West Network's Yealink training videos. My name is Amber, and today I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of your new T24S Yealink phone. This segment is on how to make a conference call. Now I'll show you how to place a conference call. Once you have one person on the line, press the conference button, type in the number of the other person you'd like to join, and then press the conference button again to join all three calls. Now I have everyone on the same call, but if I hang up, the whole conference call ends. Thank you, and I hope you found these informational segments helpful. If you need any further support, please contact us at support@westnetworks.com or call 352-316-7704.